Thanks for checking out 3D Products. In this segment, we're going to show you how to use pink car soap. Pink car soap is a wash that's used for a foamer. It can be used out of a bucket. So the first thing we're going to do when we're washing the car is we're going to go and we're going to rinse it off. We're going to take any rinser, we're going to rinse off the car. Now we're going to rinse off the tire here because we're going to show how you would wash this at home. We're going to rinse off the dirt, any heavy chunks, and make sure it doesn't have too much.
We're going to use maybe about 800 milliliters. And whether it be 3D pink car soap or the competitor soap, you're going to use anywhere from 4 to 6 ounces of soap.
Use the grater to make sure that the dirt seeps through the bottom. When you're using your soaps, you want to check out 3 items. There are 3 things that are very important. First is going to be your washability. Second is going to be your foamability. The third is going to be your rinsability. We have all key steps that are involved with this product, so it'll be easy to wash, it'll be easy to use with the soap and the foam, and it'll be very easy to rinse off. The final step of doing a car is to make sure you dry it off really good, or keep yourself from having any water stains or any watermarks left in the car. We appreciate you taking the time to check out 3D Products and pink car soap. Just remember, it's pH balanced, it's safe to use on all your waxes, it's not going to strip your car, it's going to create a nice clean look, and it's going to be safe, gentle on your hands. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and share it with your friends so they can keep up to date with all 3D's latest, greatest innovative car care products. Till next time, I'm Donald Williams with 3D International, and we'll see you then.